Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys a Realme phone guys battery setting. And today video title is guys how to use super power saving mode battery saver on Realme phone device. Friends, you want to enable super power saving mode settings. So how to enable and use in this video we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe this channel and guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Realme phone device. Friends, click on Realme phone tool setting friends on it. After on tool setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Realme phone device. Also friends, don't click tool setting direct friends, click battery setting guys first. After on battery setting friends, you can see power saving mode friends. You want to on your battery saver mode, power saving mode, so you can on and you can off. Friends, we will click super power saving mode, click here. As you can see, super power saving mode will on. Friends, you want to on location, you want to off, so you can close it. Friends, you can use only 4 and 6 apps. Friends, you want to add any app, so friends you can add guys your emergency app. Which app friends you want to use, you can add and you can use only this app. So only 6 apps friends you can use after enable your screen as your battery super power saving mode. And as you can see, battery can last up 15 hours and 30 minutes. So friends, you can use your super power saving mode. And guys, now you will lock your screen, and guys now you want to unlock your screen. So guys, your screen will show this interface. So friends, how to disable means how to exit super power saving mode. Friends, you can see left side this button and right side this button. So guys, click on left side. Friends, you can see exit super power saving mode setting. Friends, click here. Friends, you can exit, and friends you can disable your super power saving mode. And friends, again you can check here friends, your super power saving mode setting is off. Friends, you want to use, again click here and you can use it. Friends, you want to check your battery uses, you can check as your today battery uses. Yesterday friends, you want to check your battery uses, so you can check 2 days ago you want to check your battery uses, so you can check from here. Friends, if you click more battery setting friends, you can see high performance mode we can on from here. And friends, you can see show battery percentage on the status bar. Friends, you want to off your battery percentage, you can off battery percentage and you can on your battery percentage. So like that friends, we can use phone battery setting on Realme phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.